Hello, in this video we're gonna check if HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro does have the stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to check where all of the speakers on this device are located. So first let's check the bottom. Here you can find one speaker. Then there's a speaker on top, and that's a phone call speaker. And in this case it's like right here, you can see it. On top side there's no speakers, on the back there's no speakers, on the left there's no speakers, and on the right there's also no speakers. If this device plays the music from both of the speakers, that means this won't have the stereo speakers. If it doesn't and plays the music only from one speaker, that's a mono speaker on this phone. So now let's try playing some music. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that would mean this device has a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.